Feeling tired? If you constantly need a triple shot of espresso, you may be driving yourself deeper and deeper into continuously low energy, since solutions such as coffee only keep you alert for a couple of hours in the morning. However, there are many things you can do to naturally enhance your own daily energy levels while also maintaining them in the long run. Today, we're going to be covering the top 5 ways to naturally boost your energy. Let's get into the madness. Number 1, learn to control your stress. Stress-induced emotions consume huge amounts of energy. High levels of stress can lead to adrenal fatigue, a weakened immune system, and sleep disturbances. In order to reduce stress, you must first identify the stressors in your life. Once you identify these stressors, you can use different strategies to return your body to a relaxed state. We recommend taking part in meditation, exercise, laughing, it works, or taking baths with essential oils. Number 2, eat for energy. It is better to eat small portion meals and healthy snacks every few hours than 3 large meals a day. This can reduce your perception of fatigue because the brain, having very few energy reserves of its own, need a steady supply of nutrients. Additionally, try to implement a balanced diet that includes a variety of unrefined carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, especially vegetables, whole grains, and healthy oils. A quick list to go off of: almond or almond butter, bananas, spinach, oats, pistachios, and hummus. Number 3, opt for complex carbs. These include whole grains, vegetables, fruits, beans, nuts, and seeds. The dose of glucose they provide the body serves as food for the brain, and they work much better than sugar or caffeine because these carbohydrates are slowly released into the bloodstream, giving you a constant energy, rather than a boost and then a crash. Brown rice, oatmeal, kidney beans, and corn are also great sources of complex carbs. Number 4, stay hydrated. One of the first signs of dehydration is feeling tired or exhausted. It is ideal to drink half your body weight in ounces of water every day to keep your body well hydrated. If you weigh 150 pounds and divide that by 2, you get 75. You should be drinking 75 ounces of water a day. Dehydration can lead to impaired thinking and an imbalance of nutrients in the body. Drink water, please. Number 5, get enough iron. Iron is a nutrient that helps maintain energy and a healthy metabolism. It is also essential for the production of hemoglobin, which is in charge of carrying oxygen to your body's cells, where it is used to produce energy. Try to get your iron intake from natural plant-based foods. Spirulina, spinach, green peas, sesame seeds, and quinoa are all rich sources of iron. At Dherbs, your health and energy are extremely important to us. Take the time to implement a few of these steps into your daily life, and you'll be surprised at what you can accomplish, and how much money you'll save without that extra cup of coffee. Drop a comment below. Tell us how you really feel. See you next time for another Dherbs Top 5.